To download your year-end statement on Starling Bank, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you access and save your financial summary for the year. Step 1. Open the Starling Bank app. Launch the Starling Bank app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Statements. Once you are in the app, look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then select Statements from the options available. Step 3. Select the year-end statement. In the Statements section, you will see a list of available statements. Scroll through the list and find the year-end statement for the year you want to download. Tap on it to view the details. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the year-end statement, look for the download option, usually represented by a download icon or a button that says download. Tap on it to save the statement to your device. Step 5. Check your downloads. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's downloads folder or the location where your files are saved. Open the downloaded year-end statement to ensure it has been saved correctly. Now you can easily access your year-end statement whenever you need it. Following these steps will help you manage your finances more effectively.